Quakers?
Where?
Huh?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Baby Quakers. They're all green, those, aren't they?
Uh-huh.
But they're so cute. What's next to them?
I don't know.
But they're so cute. I love baby birds.
But the person that woman with the
Okay. I'm filming, Linda. I'm
and
filming.
they have a lot of beauty.
Okay. Oh my God. Look how beautiful these cordon bleus are. English, I've never heard, oh, English, there's none in here, too bad. Did you get a card?
No?
Alright. My filming is not the greatest since I'm having to do two things at once. Are they what I think they are? My green singers. Why don't I have money? We have a cage for you, Linda.
Mm-hmm.
We do. How much are they?
I don't know. I didn't ask. I only asked about the cockatiel.
How much is the cockatiel?
Depends on the bird. Anywhere from 100 to 190.
It's these three white faces.
There's some white ones there.
Well, we don't have the money for that right now. We don't have a cage. They're so gorgeous. I want some of those green singers. We don't have a cage big enough.
What? The green singers?
Yeah, we need a bigger cage. Oh, look at these beautiful red, brown, and Mary. Hi, Callie. Oh my God, Linda, look at these guys. These are
The blue-faced parrots?
the blue, yeah, finches. Oh my Lord, they're gorgeous.
Death tail. See
I
their
know.
tail?
I love strawberry finches. Oh, look at that pretty white head. Look how beautiful they are, Linda. No, I'm sad I came. Hi, baby.
Would that be the one you would want?
No.
Is that what it is? Yep.
More like that one, but I would really love the classic all gray body, white head. Like the one that's buried. Hey, there's an imposter in there. See that imposter? Hey, Callie. We're not buying a bird today, Liz. Yeah, it's an imposter.
No, that's the imposter. Did you see that one that's
Yes,
buried?
Linda, don't tempt me. You know we don't have the money. I'm the one who told you to talk me out of buying anything today, and here you are trying to talk me into it.
Could you tell me how much this one would be?
The lumber?
That's a lovebird, Linda.
Yeah, this
It's
is
another
a lovebird.
imposter. I'm teasing about the imposters among the cockatiels.
Yeah.
Hey,
Is that
beautiful.
a Fisher's or is it a crossbreed?
No, it's a fisher.
Oh, hi, baby. You were supposed to know. No. We don't have any cages. We're not even unpacked.
How much is it?
110.
That's more than we've got right now.
We are not, repeat after me, we're not unpacked. I have their card, Linda.
Uh-huh.
Keep going.
Oh, we didn't ask ask them how much they're charging their canaries.
That's
Look
okay.
at here.
I'm going to. There's an egg in there. I want to put these in the bottom of the egg area when we get it built.
How much do your canaries run?
So they start from 80 all the way to 150.
Okay, so we can tell Dina.
Yeah, 80 to 150. You should pick up a second card for her.
You grab a second card and put it in your purse because I'm putting this one in this purse. Hi, baby.